I still can remember when Dato' Tan told us in 1994 when we exhibit in Singapore. That was our so-called international fair. Not really the first, but because we attended China, Vietnam fair and Singapore fair, but Singapore fair was the most prominent one. Dato' Tan were inviting us, saying that we are going to start MIF in 1995. That is when and how we started join MIF. Our company incorporated in 1982, so exactly it's 31 years. Southern Furniture started with making and selling of metal beds. Then we start to grow into bedrooms, and now we come to a time of going up for the series of the items.
The last 20 years, Southern Furniture actually used to be the turnover, 80%, 90% is from our own factory. Now our turnover for this current 2 years is about 70–80% all contracted out. But in Malaysia, we do the marketing, for like maybe put our own brand name, like what the US buyer doing. Nike is from US. All they know the brand is US, but they made in China. But nobody care what they want to make from. You see, as long as the brand and the quality is there, so we have a niche market to sell our product, like what we do for furniture in future.
We are happy with MIF because we have participated other fair overseas as well. But none of them has doing very good job as what MIF taking care of us, because they have done very professionally and very friendly. A lot of time, they will care before and after sales service. They don't even bother, not like those people, when they need you, they'll call you. They don't need you, they'll go away from you. But I would say MIF, most of the staff, I would say thanks to them.
We wish MIF for the very best for the 20 years anniversary.
And all the success to MIF.